One of our most popular videos addresses the question, what kind of foundation cracks are bad? And based on your feedback, it sounds like you want to know even more about that. So today, we're going to let you know when it's time to worry. Are you ready? All right, let's go. It's time to worry about the cracks in your foundation when they tell you a story. A single crack is only a sentence, and to tell a story, you need not only more sentences, but sentences that work together to form a clear message. So let's talk about 4 distinct groups or patterns of cracks that can tell a story. Now first, foundation walls built from concrete block that are moving inward show their distress that often starts with a horizontal crack in one of the mortar joints between the blocks that's close to eye level. It starts at the midpoint of the wall and then grows and extends in both directions towards the end of the wall. Once it gets close to the corner, the crack splits into 2 paths that follow a stair-step pattern moving along the mortar joints to the top and bottom of the wall. Now second, a foundation wall built from poured concrete that's moving inward often shows its sign of distress with a pair of diagonal cracks that start at the top of the wall about 4 to 8 feet from each corner and then grow downward and away from each other towards the bottom corners of the wall. For our third example, let's go back to talking about concrete block walls. If stair-step cracks continue in a single direction without turning around and switching back like a stair landing, then this is likely a sign of foundation settlement or downward movement of the foundation. And finally, if we're looking for cracks indicative of settlement in poured concrete walls, you're looking for a pattern of multiple diagonal cracks in the same direction, or any crack that's wider at the top than it is at the bottom. Now, all these crack patterns start to form a story. But should you worry? No, don't worry, because the end of the story still hasn't been written and you don't even know what chapter it is right now. You should, however, reach out for some help and evaluate your options by a skilled expert that is ready to help. If you take action early, your story can have a wonderfully boring ending that has a stable, repaired foundation. But if you continue to watch, wait, worry, and hope, then you may end up with a dramatic, suspenseful bestseller story, and I can assure you, you don't want that. So did I take this analogy a little too far? Go ahead and drop that in the comments below. If you enjoy our videos, come and check out our channel, like, share, subscribe, and do all those great things. I'm Kyle, this is Ask an Engineer, and I'll see you next time.